Lightning arresters, a crucial defense against nature's fury. What is a lightning arrestor? A lightning arrestor is a vital device used to protect electrical systems from the destructive power of lightning strikes. It acts as a safety valve, diverting the surge of electricity away from sensitive equipment and into the ground. Why is lightning protection so important? Lightning strikes can cause significant damage to buildings, electrical systems, and even endanger human lives. Without proper lightning protection, the risk of fires, equipment failures, and personal injuries is greatly increased. How does a lightning arrestor work? When a lightning strike occurs, the arrestor provides a low-resistance path for the electrical current to flow safely to the ground. This helps to prevent the surge from damaging the connected equipment. Types of lightning arresters. There are several types of lightning arresters, each with its own unique characteristics. Some common types include Thyrite arresters. These use a special material called thyrite that has a nonlinear resistance, allowing it to conduct high currents during a lightning strike while maintaining a low resistance to normal operating currents. Gapped arresters. These have an air gap that breaks down under high voltage, providing a path for the lightning current to flow to ground. Benefits of lightning arresters. Installing lightning arresters offers numerous benefits, including protection of electrical equipment. Arresters safeguard sensitive equipment from damage caused by lightning strikes. Reduced risk of fires. By preventing electrical surges, arresters help to reduce the risk of fires caused by lightning. Improved safety. Lightning arresters can help to protect people and property from the dangers of lightning strikes. Disadvantages of lightning arresters. While lightning arresters are highly effective, they do have some limitations. Maintenance. Arresters require regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance. Lifespan. Over time, arresters may degrade and need to be replaced. Limitations. In some cases, arresters may not be able to handle extremely high lightning currents or direct strikes. Conclusion. Lightning arresters are essential components of any electrical system that is exposed to the risk of lightning strikes. By providing a safe path for lightning currents, they help to protect equipment, reduce the risk of fires, and improve overall safety.